Hi everyone, my name is Anthony. I'm a senior research analyst here at Certic. I'm more than excited to showcase for you today our bug bounty platform and our new leaderboard. Here at Certic, our bug bounty program is just one part of the suite of security offerings that we deliver to our clients. To give you more context and to set the stage about where each one of these security offerings fits into the security lifecycle of a project, usually on the left-hand side here, we have code security audits and penetration testing. These are the initial security measures that a project puts in place before going forward into the bug bounty program. So in terms of the bug bounty program, it can be considered a continuous or ongoing security program, and it enables the enhancement of the project security after launch. So a bug bounty program not only attests to the project's security commitment, but also acts as a form of insurance for the community members and users, such that it gives the opportunity for vulnerabilities to be discovered in unaudited code or any bugs that have been missed in the auditing process. At a high level, there are two main stakeholders in each bug bounty program. On one hand, we have projects, and on the other, what we call ethical hackers or white hat hackers. Projects are able to host their bug bounty programs on Certic or other bug bounty platform providers, and ethical hackers are able to filter and view each project's bug bounty in order to discover and submit vulnerabilities or bugs found in the project's code. A white hat hacker will be paid out bounties according to the type and severity of the vulnerability found. Now that we know about bug bounty programs, let's jump into the Skynet platform and view the bug bounty leaderboard in real time. Now that we're on the Skynet platform, in order to view the bug bounty leaderboard section, simply navigate to the left-hand side under the bug bounty leaderboard. Here we can see all of the new bug bounty programs that were just listed, as well as a unified list of all the current bug bounty programs on the Certic leaderboard. Here we can find out some really cool information about each bug bounty program, including the max reward, fund reserves, and number of assets in scope, as well as some other account details. Now let's jump into one of these profiles so we can see what it looks like on the project module. Here we're taken directly to the bug bounty program, and if we scroll up here, we can see all the information about the project. But for right now, let's focus on the bug bounty module. Here we can see the total funds reserved for the program, the live since date, number of assets in scope, as well as the rewards by severity for the project. If we click on the bug bounty details, we can see the overview of the project, rewards by severity, some other information about the bug bounty program, any of their assets in scope vulnerabilities, out of scope vulnerabilities, as well as some program rules. Because there's a lot of information in each one of these bug bounty programs, I highly suggest you check them out for yourself. Here you can see all the different types of bug bounties as well as the different categories and really explore the different types of vulnerabilities that we're looking for in each one of these bug bounty programs. In the case where someone wanted to submit a bug for this project, what you would do is click on the Submit a Bug button. And then here you can see our template form that you have to fill out. Here we can see that proof of concept and KYC is required for this bug bounty program. Here we'll just give a quick vulnerability title, select the asset in scope, determine the severity level, and add a description, as well as a mandatory proof of concept report. Then you click confirm and submit the report. So hopefully you've enjoyed our high-level overview of our bug bounty program and leaderboard. You can find out more information on our website at certic.com/products/bug bounty. Here you can find out more general information about our bug bounty programs, as well as a way to get in touch with us. Thanks very much.